cannot get it anymore.
What are you doing with your brother, Tracy? They lost the drone! Wow!
Uh-oh!
It is Dre Brothers Adventure, reacting to nothing once again. Because today, guys, we're gonna be actually flying the drone this time. Because last time it was too windy.
Yeah,
so we're back out here. We're back out here to fly it.
Hopefully, we actually succeed this time, especially with the parts where we have to shake it.
Okay. Fingers crossed. So all we have to do is do the calibration thing.
Turn this thing on.
So first step is to
turn it on. Turn it on.
Which one are we going to turn it out first? Turn that on first, please.
Oh, yeah. Take off the camera case because like
the camera doesn't even.
And then
well, that doesn't matter.
You have to go to the settings again.
We have competition, guys.
Yeah, we have competition. We're gonna race those around.
Look at that cool airplane.
Yeah, we actually got competition.
Back to our Oran Hub drone. So we have to connect with the Oran Hub
and look, there's a
Wi-Fi. Go back to the Oran Hub fly settings app and then turn this on. It's already turned on.
And I'm gonna
spin it. And then we'll try to calibrate. Put it that way. I heard the beep. And calibrate horizontal. Is that horizontal? Yeah, you have to spin around.
Yes.
There you go.
Why?
Good job, Tracy.
That was only
You're
2
quick.
seconds.
And then calibrate it vertically.
How?
The other way around. Head will go down. The head will go down, Tracy.
No.
Tracy, head. This is the head. The camera's the head.
Goes here,
Okay.
and then put your hand on.
It's the opposite for the on.
Okay.
Next step.
Faster.
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 Faster. Tracy, make sure it's vertical, not slanting. Faster, faster, faster,
Work.
faster.
Work.
Quick.
Work. 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 Work.
Rotors are on, propellers are on.
Here I'm the storm chaser.
Okay, who's going to fly first? Who's controlling it? It's Dracer.
Okay.
There you go. Up you go. Bye. 72.
Wow, it's too
What is the
high.
height, Tracer?
121 feet.
120 feet? Oh my. That's too high.
That's crazy. It's the best I could go is 124.
The highest height you can go is 124.
Yeah, the camera cannot get it anymore, I believe. Yeah.
Okay, where is it now?
Okay, I'll bring it closer.
Yes, please
There it is.
bring it down.
There it is.
There you go. Found the baby. And Drazen is there. So what is the height right now, Draster?
32.
So Draster is the pilot right now. And the height is
32 feet.
32 feet only.
I'm gonna bring it higher. Bro. It's so low.
Can you bring it closer to us, Draster? I want to take a look on that one. So cool.
Okay, there it is.
I can see it. Can you lower it down more, please?
Lower it down more.
There it is.
Where are you? There you go.
There it is.
Okay. Keep lower. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Finally, I found the three of you. The drone, Dracy, and Drayden. What is the height of this one, Dracer?
13 feet.
13 feet. Okay, let's try to move it like the highest one. So highest is that. What is the height right now, Dracer?
56, 70, 80, 90, 100.
Oh my gosh. I don't know if you still can see the drone right now.
134 feet. Yeah, I think 134 feet.
The That's the highest.
34 feet.
34. 134 feet is the highest it can go. Okay, lower it down, please.
Yeah.
Bring it down to the camera
Yeah, just put it down because
so
it
we
might
can
move
see
back.
it.
7260.
Okay. There you go, the small one. Okay, there you go. Amazing. Okay, who will be the next pilot?
Me.
Okay, you can bring it down and then...
Bring it down. Yeah, bring it down. Go. Make it go down. Hey, Racer.
There you go. Okay, up to next pilot, please.
No! No! Go down! Go down!
Go down.
Are you having fun, Drayster? Drayster, you have to bring it down now. Your turn is done. Where are you?
Set the car away.
Drayster.
Bro, I gotta bring it down. Okay, it's going down finally. Oh my god.
Is it going
I pressed the
down?
wrong button.
I think Daddy wants to be a pilot too.
Later.
Okay, please bring it down, Drayster, and then we'll proceed to the next pilot. Thank you. What are you doing with your brothers, Tracy?
I'm torturing them.
Torturing them?
Yeah.
What are you trying to do? Letting them run after that drone?
Yeah.
They have energy. You think they can catch your drone?
I don't think so. Bring this baby down.
Okay. And there you go. Can you put it down, Tracy?
Okay.
And then let them run after the drone, okay? Let's play with your brothers. Tracer and Drayden. Come on. Bring it over to them. And
Oh my
then
gosh.
you... Where is it?
I don't know. Oh my god.
Tracy lost the drone! They lost the drone! They lost the drone! Where is it now? Put it down, Tracy! Tracy, where is it?
It's literally on the floor. I think I've injured 5 people today. It flipped over.
What did you do to the drone? Did you break the drone already? Come here.
You didn't break it.
What happened there, Tracy?
So
What did you do to our drone? Is it broken?
no. He said it wasn't broken.
Luckily.
Yeah. This thing is almost indestructible.
Did you enjoy flying the drone?
Yeah.
Okay.
Where's the
And
drone?
then,
Surprisingly, it didn't break.
Yeah, surprisingly.
alive?
Yes,
It landed like this, bro.
everyone is
Oh.
alive.
OMG.
Okay, go.
Okay, next
pilot.
pilot.
Yeah.
Drayden.
We're gonna storm chase
This
it.
one. Okay. And then you
What
slide
if it
that.
loses battery and
Then this is
falls
up.
on the bottom?
There you go.
We're gonna get there.
Bring it up. Let's see what will happen to Drayden this time.
Oh
Please,
my gosh.
don't lose the drone.
Yeah, Drayden, don't lose the drone.
Okay.
Can you try to kind of...
Yeah, bring it up, bring it up, bring it up.
Bring it up, Art. Okay.
Do like, go around the field.
Okay.
Oh no!
Oh no, oh no!
Okay.
Oh no!
Oh no, oh no!
Oh my god!
I almost.
You almost hit the duck.
Sorry, dog.
Can you lower it down, please?
Lower it down,
Drayden? Yeah,
You
so
almost
this
killed the
time
bird.
we'll try to kind of change direction.
Okay.
Okay, lower it down first so we can take a good video. Okay, lower it down first, please.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay, that's it.
and then turn it around. Can you try to turn it around? Come closer to the camera. Bring it over here, Drayden. Let's see if Drayden is a good pilot. There you go. Amazing. Good job, Drayden.
That is bad.
We'll
Oh
see.
my gosh!
It's okay,
literally
it's
landed
okay.
like
Oh
this.
yes, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
This thing is literally indestructible.
Oh no, that's
Oh,
bad.
no.
Oh no.
That is bad. Oh, okay. The wires are still good. It's okay.
Yeah, the wire. Should I still? Okay, yeah, I'm a horrible pilot.
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you're a horrible.
It's okay.
It's still okay. It's still okay.
Lesson learned is to
Concentrate.
All 9 people are.
not to fly this drone with the tree.
Near the tree.
Near the tree. Is
No.
that right?
No.
Good.
Okay.
You enjoy it?
You said you were. You said you were go.
Slide over here.
You said you were gonna fly, right?
Yeah, I'm going to fly.
You're going to fly?
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm the
Like
next
you're
pilot.
gonna fly in the air?
Fly? Ha! That is a good question. Can Daddy fly the drone?
He does not know the controls yet. But let's.
I think we have to save that for the next episode, Tracy. What do you think?
Probably, yeah.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, for now, that's it for today.
But that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Hope you guys like, subscribe, comment, and hit the notification bell to notify whenever we
Okay,
upload.
make sure to stay
Bye.
tuned for
Peace.
the second episode. Daddy will fly the drone, okay?
Peace.
See ya.
Bye.
Oh.